Welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues, where we solve all your queries related to computers, cell phones, gadgets, internet, and technology. Today we shall be discussing Clubhouse. Before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So, Clubhouse is an audio-based, invite-only social media platform for listening to live conversations. Here, we teach you how to create an account on Clubhouse. As of May 2021, the only way to sign up and create a Clubhouse account is to be invited by a current member. Even if you haven't received an invite, you can still download the app and reserve your username. Follow these easy steps to reserve and get your very own Clubhouse username. Firstly, download the Clubhouse app from your Android or iOS device. Open the app and then click on the Get Your Username icon. After the click, the page will direct to the next step, that is, enter your phone number. Click on the next button once the phone number is entered. This will open up the screen where you need to enter the auto-generated code. Once the code is entered, you need to click on the next button. The next button lands on the screen where you have to enter your full name. After entering your full name, the next button will show up on the username screen. The username screen will ask you to enter a unique username. Click on the next button, which will finally land you on the page where you have reserved your account on Clubhouse. If you have received an invite from your friend, just follow the following steps and you are ready to go. First, open the Clubhouse app and click on Have an Invite, Sign In. Then, enter the same phone number you have received an invitation to. You will receive a 4-digit OTP code via text SMS on your registered number. Enter the 4-digit code that you have received and tap Next. Clubhouse will now show you the user who invited you, and you can personalize your profile. Clubhouse requires a name to identify its users, so enter your first and last name, and then tap on Next. You need to create a unique username for yourself and then tap Next. Now you can choose your profile photo. You can also skip the step if you want to. Now, Clubhouse will let you choose your topics of interest, and it will then suggest you the list of people to follow. Clubhouse will ask you to access your phone contact list. Once Clubhouse finds users on your contact list, you can follow the users. That's all there is to it. Now you're all set up to use the Clubhouse app, and you can start to follow and invite others to use it with you. If you have any queries, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.